Hello everyone, you are Reshmi here from Your Rice Person Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive, trendy, outstanding sarees collections only for you. So let me display this one. Black base, pure georgette with zari weaving design work. This one full base part, and same saree today I have dipped only different color, and this one is full base part all over zari weaving buta design and pure georgette base, and this one is border portions, beautiful zari weaving design work border all over zari weaving buta design georgette base, black base all over same work. This one full base part all over same work, and pallu in pom pom design and without running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material buta weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright and beautiful looks. And this one pure cotton silk Banarasi with silk mark, very traditional and beautiful looks, bright also premium quality pure cotton silk Banarasi with silk mark and very lightweight comfortable pure silk. This one full base part, and this portion is border portions, traditional Banarasi weaving design work border all over Banarasi buta and beautiful color combinations. This one is full base part, checks pattern base, pure cotton silk with silk mark with Banarasi buta. This one is full base part all over weaving work, hand weaving Banarasi design work, and this one pallu portions fully traditional Banarasi weaving design work pallu all over buta soft one, and this one running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece. Border also, this one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy golden base, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright and elegant looks. And this one also nice color combinations, very elegant color combinations, pure cotton silk Banarasi with silk mark, same pattern and very elegant look, soft one, lightweight. This one is full base part all over silk check set design base with beautiful traditional Banarasi weaving buta design, pure silk with silk mark, and this one is border portions, fully hand weaving design work Banarasi work border, and this one pallu portions, contrast color with fine weaving design Banarasi work pallu and very soft one, pure silk. This one is running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece with border, and this one full base part all over traditional Banarasi buta design and very soft one, pure silk, pure cotton silk Banarasi. This one is all over buta, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. And this one also kota base, semi cotton silk, pure handloom semi cotton with kota checks design and fine embroidery buta work, very trendy and fashionable look, sky blue shade. This one full base part all over kota fine checks, semi cotton base, pure handloom with fine embroidery floral buta design, very elegant looks. This one is full base part, and this one all over fine embroidery design work all over same embroidery. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full embroidery work, and I will suggest this cotton fabric zari fine border contrast blouse piece with this saree for your fresh and trendy looks. It's a very beautiful one, pure Dupian silk cotton material with traditional Banarasi weaving work, very nice and bright looks, soft also, and this one full base part all over zari weaving traditional Banarasi border. This one is pallu portions, and this one is running blouse piece, and all over Banarasi buta design and very elegant looks, Dupian silk cotton material traditional work all over base, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright and beautiful looks. And this one also nice color combination, same material, Dupian silk cotton Banarosi work. This one is full base part, pure handloom, beautiful phrase color combination, soft one, lightweight. This one is pallu portions, fully traditional Banarosi weaving design work, pallu all over Banarosi buta. And this one full base part, soft one. This one is full base Dupian silk cotton with traditional Banarosi work. And I will suggest this silk material weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And next one also very beautiful one, soft silk material, very soft one, comfortable with heavy weaving design work, bright sky blue shade with traditional buta design all over base. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color with heavy weaving design work pallu, and same brocade running blouse piece. And this one full base part all over Banarosi buta design, and this portion is border portions, traditional border and all over base, and very soft one, heavy work but soft. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And this one also nice color combination, silk Banarosi silk lion base all over silver zari weaving design, heavy work. This one is full base part all over heavy work, contrast color dye with traditional buta design. This one is border portions, grey shade all over base, silver zari weaving design, heavy work. And this one is pallu portions, fully traditional weaving design, heavy worked pallu. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very elegant and bright looks. This one is full base silk linen with work. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful looks. Also very traditional looks, Banarosi silk linen base with traditional Banarosi weaving buta design, very bright looks, nice color combinations. This one is full base part all over traditional Banarosi buta. This portion is border portions, beautiful fine weaving design work, border all over buta design, silk linen base, elegant bright looks. This one pallu portions, fully traditional Banarosi weaving design work pallu. This one is running blouse piece, buta with stripes and all over buta work. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And this one very elegant one, pure handloom semi cotton base with half inch highlighted golden piping with beautiful buta work all over base, very trendy look, soft one, lightweight all over stripes with buta work, golden piping and semi cotton base, very soft one, summer wear. This one is full base, trendy stripes with highlighted zari buta. This one is full base part peach shade, and this one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu portions, highlighted fine self weaving stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, very nice one, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful looks. And this one also nice color combination, same material, same pattern, different color, bright sky blue shade, half inch golden piping and all over buta with stripes design, soft one, semi cotton base, pure handloom all over, fine stripes with buta design, temple pattern, highlighted buta. Very elegant look, semi cotton base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, highlighted self weaving fine stripes pallu and all over base, very nice looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric fully weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Also very beautiful color combinations, bright one, semi cotton base all over buta work, golden and silver zari weaving buta, very nice look, semi cotton base, soft one. And this one is all over base, golden and silver zari weaving buta design, very nice and elegant looks. This one is full base part all over buta, soft one, semi cotton. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu portions, portions fully highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu and all over butta work, very fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material plain silver contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one also in a very nice color combinations, brown shade, same material, semi cotton base, same pattern, golden and silver zari weaving, butta work all over base, soft one and very elegant base color combinations. This one is full base part, golden and silver zari weaving butta, fully hand weaving design, very fresh looks, nice color combinations. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu and all over butta work. And I will suggest this silk material, golden base, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful looks. And this one beautiful one, pure georgette base with wax batik printed one, pure premium quality georgette with all over wax batik printed one, very fresh looks. This one full base part all over printed. This one is pallu and all over same printed and pure premium quality soft georgette. And this one full base part, very trendy and fashionable looks, georgette with wax batik printed one all over piece. And I will suggest this chanderi material checks with digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fashionable fancy looks. And this one also nice color combinations, tissue cotton with traditional butta design, tissue cotton material, pure handloom contrast border all over jamdani butta design, very fresh looks. This one is full base part, soft one, tissue cotton but very soft. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color stripes with butta work pallu. And this one full base part, soft one, summer wear. And this one is full base, this one is running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. This one also nice fresh color combination, same material, tissue cotton material, contrast border, traditional butta tissue cotton but soft one, very soft, and all over jamdani butta design. This one is full base part, colorful threaded hand weaving jamdani butta, bright yellow shade, light golden sign. And this one pallu portions, contrast color stripes with butta work pallu. And this one full base part, very bright fresh looks, contrast color border all over tissue cotton, little shiny material. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over piece. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. Also nice color combinations, parrot green shade, dark parrot green, same material, tissue cotton material, contrast color border all over weaving butta design, very fresh looks. This one is full base part all over jamdani butta design, tissue cotton material, soft one, same material, contrast color border, and pallu portion stripes with butta work pallu, and very soft one, summer wear. And this one full base part all over jamdani hand weaving butta contrast border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this organza base with weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And this one also nice color combination, same material, very bright color, navy blue base, golden sign, tissue cotton material, contrast border all over jamdani butta design. This one is pallu portions, highlighted stripes with jamdani butta design work pallu all over butta work, soft one, summer wear. And this one full base part all over traditional jamdani butta. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And it will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. Very beautiful color combinations, Dupian silk cotton material with all over base part is plain with traditional border and pallu, very nice color combinations. This one is full base part, this portion is border portions, beautiful traditional Banarasi work border, Dupian silk cotton material and all over plain base. And this one pallu portions, fully traditional Banarasi weaving design, heavy worked pallu, heavy work but soft one. And this one is running blouse blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu, and all over base part very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And you know, today I have developed a beautiful saree, pure georgette base, premium quality, soft georgette with zari weaving buta work all over base, and dark navy blue shade, and all over same buta work, pallu and pom-pom design, highlighted golden half-inch piping, and very trendy looks. Beautiful saree and designer golden blouse. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.